get away from me. If I was you, I'd watch what you say to me. Snakes all in my bed, why you play with me? Don't play with me, this the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love, I love, 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 love. I love, I love, 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 love. I love, look, I love it when they keep that same energy. I'm not no regular entity. Just feeling finicky lately. I just want the cake and the greatest amenities. Lately, I ain't got no sympathy. Aim at the industry. This ain't the way that they picture me. What's your identity? I guess I'm lining them up. I keep my 9 in the truck. All of y'all niggas gon' bleed. Guess it's that time of the month. I done came up from the mud. They said I'd never be none. They said I'd never be rich. They said I'd never be anything. I told them get off my dick.
Yeah. So one fucking look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away. Yeah, yeah. But you know I'm already thinking about it. Wake up with your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, cause I'm bored. You could hit it in the morning. Yeah, yeah, like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care. Yeah. Wake up with your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, cause I'm bored.
Get back.
Bad bitch, link up. Link up. I just pull up in a Brinks truck. And I brought some young bad bitches in here. Ain't no room for no mad bitches in here. Call me, not say Houdini, doing tricks with a saw. For my next act, watch me cut these bitches off, yeah.
Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You